Welcome to the Search Engine Optimization Full Course Series. This is the first video from Rajneesh Pathak. This video is dedicated to off-page SEO strategies. Off-page SEO overview. Off-page SEO involves actions taken outside a website to enhance its visibility and authority in search engine results, pages, CRPs. It focuses on link building, social media engagement, and online reputation management. Why off-page SEO matters. Enhanced authority. Backlinks from reputable websites signal to search engines that your website is trustworthy and authoritative, leading to higher search rankings. Increased traffic. Quality backlinks drive referral traffic to your website, expanding your audience reach and potentially generating leads and conversions. Brand exposure. Off-page SEO activities like social media engagement and influencer marketing can amplify your brand's visibility and recognition among your target audience. Key off-page SEO strategies. Link building. Acquire high-quality backlinks from authoritative websites through guest blogging, resource link building, and outreach campaigns. Social media engagement. Actively engage with your audience on social media platforms by sharing valuable content and building relationships with influencers and followers. Online reputation management. Monitor and manage your online reputation by responding to customer reviews and showcasing positive testimonials. Influencer collaboration. Partner with influencers to amplify your brand's reach and credibility. Content creation. Create compelling and shareable content that resonates with your target audience and encourages natural backlinks and social shares.